build a construction site for trains and cars. Trains and cars. Yeah. Don't forget it. There we go. Okay.
What does it mean doing it? I want to say I want out. I don't know what. Cars, what do you think? All things I don't know.
All right. You got it? All right. Well, we're getting all the trains and the cars to the side because we got the massive project. One cost several dollars to build. All right. All right. Oh, the frog. How do you get this construction site?
Everywhere. You're not allowed to hold it anymore.
Oh, right now. Build something here. All right. We have the massive construction trucks on site. Build a new railway that's going. Every construction site has to have music, doesn't it, huh? There you go. There, we're
Godzilla has taken over the truck.
You need to get you got the concrete truck. We need that so we can build the roadways. Oh, I hear something coming. All right. Now, I'm going to take I'll put your free stuff in the fridge if you want. If you're thirsty or something. Oh, sorry.
There's the mini ranch. Some of this has already been built.
Yes. Well, we're trying to construct a new bridge that will connect two major highways. Thank you for asking.
I'm ready.
Okay. All right. Here we go. Oh, yes. Another thing. How you doing? How's the wife? How's the kids? You doing all right? That's good. Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you.
Wow.
You sit down. Let me put them on. Sit down. There you go. I'm good. You gonna put them on? He likes what Nanny's doing. You go.
And here's the blue. Are we gonna build it?
Yeah, just a minute. There we go. That's a big top now. All right. All right, this is a tunnel going through. We've got the concrete mixer to pour these. There you go. Oh, no. Okay. All right. Oh, no. We got the policemen coming to the site already? Goodness. Must be some of the structures that are not safely built. All right. Oh, the train's coming through without us building it. Oh, and the train's crashed.
Kevin, I hope you're not all building.
No, now. Okay, thank you. Let's pick up the trains and put them. You gotta go through the tunnel. Yeah, it's just so sorry. Okay. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Ta-da!
Oh, hey, I'm Mickey Mouse. Say, you wanna come inside our clubhouse? Well, all right. Let's go. Hey, Gavin.
Final look. All right. One's gonna be one side's gonna be for the cars and one side's gonna be for the trains. You gonna help us build a bridge? You gonna help us build a bridge?
I'm so flat.
Oh no! We got cars going on this side. Through there.
Are we gonna make them?
Yeah. Cars and trucks on one side, trains on the other. And we're going to have to build more as soon as obstacles are able to be removed. There's a big boulder in front of me that I'm trying to have to blast through.
Boom!
Yeah, do it.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Something's gonna happen. There's dynamite over by the new.
Oh no! Now the truck's going to have to come in to clear out the debris. Oh, what a mess we have here, people. What a mess. What a mess. We're going to have a lot to clean up. It may take us hours. There you go. There you go. Our train just lifted up some more boulders. Oh! Careful. It's a train going down the track. Okay. There you go. All right, we got them put together. Here you go. Choo-choo. Okay. Choo-choo.
Oh, I think we should have some bags.
Here comes Choo-choo. Oh, it's coming. There's more Choo-choo. Have to go into the train barn now. All right. He's having to clean the debris away. We gotta want this whole building over. Yeah. All right. See? Oh. Oh no, crazy. Everyone's running over the cars.
No, not
Not the cement truck.
Not in the shed.
Oh no, not. Oh no. All right. Now we're gonna have to bring in the dump truck to clear away all the rocks.
Are we gonna start it back over?
Of course. That's what we do. Batteries are down that little bit. So here we go. We got the cement. Whoa! Oh! Oh! Now, who's going to do the strongest? Who's the strongest truck? Oh! Choo-choo! Oh, you got it all! Now, where's Taco? Oh, it's over on the other line.
What are we gonna make?
All right. We're going to have to build another building, but how long will this one stand? Probably not much longer than the last one.
How about this?
Oh!
Mini ramp.
Oh. All right. Okay. Let's show something so we can knock it down. Okay. Oh! Wait a minute, it's gonna build so we can knock it down. Let's use the block. All right. Let's see. Hand me that one there, the orange. Oh, yeah. We will put this together to make a rectangle. Okay. Yeah. Let's see if we can get the name. Oh! Yeah. Hold up. See here. I'll let you build and you can, I'll do this. All right. I have to build it fast though because it gets knocked down pretty quick. So would you just keep it on?
Don't keep that.
Okay. Where did it come from?
Yeah.
Dear pig.
Is there a guinea pig over here on the construction site?
I believe that they may have left the home of guinea pigs in their burrow while starting the new construction project. We're going to have to call in animal control, the safety people, ASPCA, to come in and remove those family of guinea pigs so that we can continue the construction.
Okay. Get some of this.
Yeah. No, it's these things right here. Half moons right here.
Okay, let's start.
We're talking to construction worker Garrett Clark on the job. How's it going, Mr. Clark?
Yes, it's going.
Slow?
Yeah.
Well, that's to be expected after the disaster we had. Oh, now we've got to call in ASPCA because there's a family of dogs in the project. Yes, I believe you left your phone in the last construction project. It's down in the toy box. Can you help them? It's probably right there, close, because there's not that many toys down there.
Okay, back to work.
Busy site we have here. We can't take these construction workers' attention away from the project. It's much needed. So we'll check back in later and see how it's going. We have danger lurking. So we have to get this up as soon as we can so that more square. Yep, they still have not cleared out that family of guinea pigs in the construction site. We're just holding up our project, and we may not reach the deadline. Oh, here's the construction manager. You're on your phone. This is Gavin Rutherford, Garrett Clark. They're working very tediously to get this building built. I still hear that family guinea pig. We're just waiting and waiting for the animal rescue people to come and take those animals to a safer location. There's too much dynamite in this project. All right. Now, you need to talk to Mr. Rutherford. Can we bother you for just a minute? Mr. Gavin?
Oh, it's so
I see. Oh, you look very busy also, so I guess we'll let these project managers get the, yeah, we have to get these construction managers to tell us when they're able to move forward with the project. Okay.
Let's see, we got another block. One more.
Yes. We're going along, looks like it's going along pretty well. If we just don't have any disasters happen before, we'll be able to reach the deadline. Are you tired, Mr. Gavin? Has it been a hard project to build? Let's see. He doesn't want the camera on him right at this moment because he's busy trying to get the building. Maybe something to do with the animals. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. They do look like they are awful busy. Will they be able to safely remove those animals from the construction site? We will not know until they let us know.
The guinea pig's gone now.
Oh, they've removed, we just got word. They have removed the family of guinea pigs and the family of dogs. I think it's safe to say that they can move forward with this construction site. And here comes Supervisor Mickey. How's the project going?
Well, I'm thinking it's going super fast. That's it. Well, I'm going to go in there and see.
We have Supervisor Mickey going in to make sure the building is safe.
We still got to put more parts together.
More construction parts together. Okay. Oh, and here goes Thomas.
You mean Gordon?
Oh, I thought it was Thomas. I'm sorry. I don't know my train. There goes Gordon. He's going in to make sure that the railways are safe. Okay.
Mr. Devin's really excited about this brand new
Project? Yeah. Okay. Well, it looks like the farmer and all his animals. Where have all my animals gone? I can't find them. Where are my animals? Look at the menagerie of animals down there. We have a leopard. And here comes the lonely zebra. Hey! Nay! All right. No, it's just bit me on my cheek.
If he doesn't, let me know.
He's just getting excited. All right. Here we go.
And there's silly frog. I don't know why.
Oh!
Frog.
There's a silly frog in the construction site? Oh! They do have some cool trucks in the construction site. I hear that frog. Somebody's got to rescue the frog. Who do we call? An herpetologist? Is that what it is, herpetologist? Thank you for that. I just forgot what it was called.
Mr. Goat and Tom, how do you think this has been going?
Well, all he has to say is, squeak, squeak, which is frog for, I'm not sure.
Okay, let's get back to work.
Let's see if we can go inside the tunnel for just a moment and check in and see how things are going. Gordon, how's it going?
Well, I think it's going good, but...
But could you kind of like turn around and talk to the camera and all and things your butt? Oh, thank you. Is it wide enough for the trains to go through? Can you tell us that?
Yeah.
Okay. That's pretty good. You got it. Oh. And the frog. The frog. Look on camera. Oh, this got the frog is finished. It's face. He had smushed his face. I hit from the big boulder. What are you all laughing at? The frog's face has been smushed. You want any fixes? Bring it over here, Nick. You got it. You got it. That's right.
This is pretty good now, but...
I think this one over. There you go. You got it. He started going up like a balloon. All right. Well, we have a cat on the job. What do you have to say?
Meow, 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 meow.
You do have anything to say? Well, it looks like he's laying down taking a nap. No. Oh, here he is. He's going to. So we're having technical difficulties.